Good morning. This is day one of the regulators and policymakers cut. Good morning. Day two of the regulators and policymakers retreat being hosted by IPPI here in Goa, and I have the pleasure of introducing to you Mr. Ashok Sethi, Chief Operations Management, Tata Power. Sir, welcome to the retreat, sir. Sir, the consumer all across India is really worried about recent price hikes in the power sector. The power sector people say that this is due to a variety of reasons, sir. Could you let us know some of the reasons why the cost of power is increasing?
See, basically there are two reasons I think. One is the fuel because the major component of a tariff is fuel cost, energy charge, and that energy charge is going up because fuel has become very volatile. And in fact, if we see the fixed cost is not going up at that rate because there's a lot of competition in the establishing factories for producing power equipment, and the sector is open to all the countries to compete. So it is basically the energy charge which is fuel dependent, and fuel is volatile all over the world. And second thing is, I think what is adding to the issue is that we do not have many resources for peak power, and generating peak power on fuels like diesel and on fuels like LNG is expensive, and the load factors are such, the load curves are such that there is a lot of peak power requirement. And so these are two things which are, are contributing to the higher, you can say, tariff and need attention.
Right, sir. So, people also believe that they'll have a consumer's choice. Just like earlier, telecom was regulated and you had only one or two monopoly players. Now there's a consumer choice, and anyone can have a provider, telecom provider of his choice. Is that something that is possible in the power sector?
Well, I think the dream is always like this. Because if I go to any conference, I do hear that people say, "Ki, why can't power sector be like telecom sector?" Let's see the difference. One is, has a hard wires and doesn't have a hard wire. So in the telecom sector, it becomes that much easier to service the consumer and increase the base uh, because it does not have to be dependent upon any wires to be laid. So it is always easier in that sector, in that respect, uh, because the communication can be increased many folds, many times. But here, the power flow cannot be increased many times overnight. It has to be a lot of hard work and a lot of capex which has to go into it. So the dream is always to go near to that extent. If we don't reach the end like telecom sector, but where all we can reach. And the examples will be the countries like I think Australia, Singapore, which have reformed power sector a lot, where they have given consumer choices and in a very structured manner. So I think we have to also move towards that. And there are, I think, reform means the same thing, that you are actually moving towards market and you are moving towards consumer choices. So it has to be structured on the way.
Mr. Sethi, thank you so much for your time, sir, and welcome to the retreat again.